Hey folks, Johnston Performance Chainsaw here. Today we have a 2172 WH. This is the model with heated handlebars. And this video also will apply to a 372 XPG. So, saw came in to get pumped up. I test run it. It's very important to this customer that the heated handlebars work, and they indeed were not working. So, in this video, we are going to go over how to test out the system and find what the problem is. Now, I have printed out from the service manual what the parameters are for measuring the ohms at the front handle, rear handle, and testing the generator behind the flywheel. And also testing the switch. I already went ahead, pulled the switch out. We will also need to disconnect the red wire behind the handlebar. So, step 1. Remove the cylinder cover and disconnect the connector on the red lead at A. See figure 9. Here is figure 9. So when we measure this, connect to that one, we're going to connect to the bottom wire, and our ohms reading should be between 0.7 and 1.2. Let's do that. Now, this is just some cheapy junk meter that I got off of Amazon because I always seem to trash them. Grab an alligator clip. I'm going to clip it to the switch. And the switch needs to be in the off position. I'm going to test it. I'm touching my alligator clip. Make sure my meter is functioning properly, and you can see it is. So now we're going to touch it to the bottom wire. We are at 1 ohm. So, the rear hand grip is functioning properly. Now, so step 5. Connect the ohm meter as shown in figure 10 and measure the resistance in the front handle. The meter should read 3 to 4 ohms. If the reading is higher, replace the front grip. So, figure 10. Here we are. Connect one lead to ground and the other lead to the top wire. 3 to 4 ohms. Take my alligator clip. Clip it on the cylinder. Let's make sure we got a reading. Got a good ground? Sure do. Now, touch it to the top wire. What do we got? 4 ohms. Right there. Perfect. So, step 6. Connect the ohm meter as shown in figure 11 and measure the resistance in the generator. The reading should be between 0.9 and 1.3. If the reading is higher or lower, replace the generator. Figure 11. Ground 2. Connect one lead to the ground, connect the other to the outside. 0.9 to 1.3. Let's do it. We're still connected to ground. One ohm. So, that's perfect. Now, step 7. Disconnect one of the connections to the on-off switch and connect the ohm meter as shown in figure 12. The meter should read more than 1,000 ohms with the switch in the 0 position off. The meter should read at most 0.1 ohms when the switch is in the 1 position on. Figure 12. They said to disconnect the wire with at least one. They are not showing that here, but you must disconnect at least one wire. There's your reading. On, off. More than 1,000 ohms. Which I've never seen a switch in the off position have an ohms reading. So, make this easy. Pull one out. Connect an alligator clip there. We're off and we have nothing. On, no ohms. Off, nothing. On, no resistance. So right now, this is working properly. But I will tell you, this is where I found my problem. This saw had a lot of fine sawdust everywhere in it. And when I originally took this switch out, the fine sawdust was packed everywhere in here and under the rocker arm. And it did not work when I first checked it. So I blew the switch out very well, and it is now operating properly every time I use it, every time I switch it on and off. Whereas before, when there was sawdust in it, it did not do this. You would push on this, move it around, and then it would work. So, there was the problem. The switch is now clean. It's operating. Get a hold of the customer, see if he wants a brand new switch, or is that acceptable to him? If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. If you don't like this video, leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Thanks for watching.